Hello, and welcome back to Car Chronicles. In today's video, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Plymouth Volare. A name that resonates with classic American automotive heritage, the Volare is making a grand comeback with modern flair, cutting-edge technology, and performance to match. Buckle up as we explore every inch of this revived classic, from its exterior styling to its interior comforts, and finally, under the hood for a performance analysis. Let's get started. Exterior design. The 2025 Plymouth Volare stands out with its retro-inspired yet contemporary design. Plymouth has managed to blend nostalgia with modern aesthetics seamlessly. The front fascia features a bold, wide grille reminiscent of the classic Volare, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide a modern touch. The sculpted hood and sharp character lines running along the sides add a sense of dynamism to the car's stance. The Volare's profile is where the blend of old and new is most apparent. The iconic boxy shape has been refined with smoother curves and aerodynamic elements. The 18-inch alloy wheels come standard, with an option to upgrade to 20-inch wheels for those seeking a sportier look. At the rear, the LED tail lights are designed to echo the front's sharpness, while the dual exhaust outlets hint at the performance capabilities lurking underneath. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside the 2025 Volare, and you're greeted by a cabin that marries vintage charm with modern luxury. The dashboard layout pays homage to the original with a horizontal design but is now packed with state-of-the-art technology. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster sits behind the retro-styled steering wheel, providing the driver with all necessary information in a crisp, customizable display. The center console houses a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring the latest Uconnect interface. This system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in navigation system. Plymouth has also included a premium audio system as standard, ensuring an immersive sound experience. Seating in the Volare is a treat, with plush, leather-upholstered seats that offer both heating and cooling functions. The front seats provide excellent support, making long drives comfortable. The rear seats offer ample legroom, catering to passengers of all sizes. The use of high-quality materials, such as soft-touch plastics and real wood trim, enhances the cabin's overall premium feel. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Plymouth Volare offers a choice of two powertrains. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 250 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifts and decent fuel efficiency. For those craving more power, Plymouth offers a 3.6-liter V6 engine option. This powerhouse delivers 305 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque, ensuring spirited acceleration and robust performance. The V6 variant also features an optional all-wheel drive system, enhancing traction and handling in various driving conditions. The Volare's suspension setup strikes a balance between comfort and sportiness. The independent suspension at all four corners ensures a smooth ride over rough surfaces while maintaining composure during spirited driving. The steering is precise and responsive, giving the driver confidence in corners and during high-speed maneuvers. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority for Plymouth, and the 2025 Volare comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Volare also offers an optional 360-degree camera system, providing a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, making parking and navigating tight spaces a breeze. Conclusion. The 2025 Plymouth Volare successfully revives a classic nameplate while delivering modern performance, technology, and comfort. Whether you're a fan of the original Volare or a newcomer looking for a stylish, well-rounded vehicle, the 2025 Volare has something to offer. With its striking design, comfortable interior, and engaging driving dynamics, it's poised to make a significant impact in today's automotive market. Thanks for joining us on this detailed review of the 2025 Plymouth Volare. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Car Chronicles, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. See you in the next one.